you're not just working with the best athletes. You're working with kids. Kasi with college athletes now, with the NCAA, with the pro athletes, it's physically strong na sila, and they know how their bodies move, and how do you make them buy in to things that can further enhance their career. Laging ganun eh. Lagi ko sinasabi sa kanila, paano niyo pahahabain yung career niyo? Kasi finite number of years lang yan eh. You turn pro at 23, you will be done by 33. What else will you do with your life? So, yung small snippets, the workouts is just the workouts eh. Pero yung the value proposition of the conversations that you get in there, the things that you can help them with, it might be psychological, it might be emotional, it might be the way that they're investing their time and money. Simple stuff like that, that can echo a long way with the way that they live their lives. Ang hirap kasi, lagi kong tinatandaan eh, be the coach that you wanted when you were younger. Because I never had one like that. I have very good mentors, but somebody that was really intentional every step of the way, that whatever you need, you can call me at 3 a.m. if you're bothered. Siguraduhin mo lang na hindi yung asawa ko sasagot kasi mag-aaway kayo, wag mo gising. But yung mga maliliit na bagay na ganun. Kasi coaching and telling stories on TV is one thing, but being a big brother, an uncle, yun nga yung term ng asawa ko eh. Para ka ng uncle ng mga player mo ah. Laging pag may kailangan tatakbuhan ka. Sabi ko sa kanila, pwede naman, basta wag lang pera kasi wala na akong pera mula nung nag-asawa ako. Wala na akong pera, lahat nasa asawa ko.
O di okay na rin yun para safe na safe yung
Oh
yung
yeah,
finances
definitely.
ninyo.
The best investment of my life.